The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2024 Toyota Sienna with a bare roof. So this is equipped without the factory raised rails. So the solution we came up with was utilizing the Rhino-Rack track, which is RTV 168, and we actually did cut it down a few inches to help counter the front dip in the roof. And we actually connected a Yakima base rack system to this track. So we utilized the JetStream load bars, 50 inches in length, the SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Locks are optional and are required. There's a quick release feature, which is really nice, but locks would be a good idea to help prevent those from walking away. And then attaching those to the tracks is landing pad 1 from Yakima. So while this is a custom application, drilling is required, and it isn't pre-approved from any of the manufacturers. It's a solid fit, and we feel comfortable with the usual 150, 165 pound weight carrying capacity. So good rack for cargo and different types of gear. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or purchase this complete kit with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.